Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to enable chat history in OpenAI, or commonly known as ChatGPT. Now let's begin. On any browser of your device, simply go to chat.openai.com and hit on enter. Now as I have already logged in, this is the home page. If you have not logged in, do log in right now. In the home page, at the bottom left of the screen, you will find your profile name. Simply click on it. A pop-up will open stating Logout, Settings and Customize ChatGPT. We only have to go to the Settings tab. Let's click on it. And a new pop-up will open once again. Initially, we will be in the General tab, which has lots of features like theme, multi-factor authentication and etc. But for now, we need to go to Data Controls. And right here, you can see the chat history and training. I have already enabled it, so if you have not, do enable it right now. In case you have not enabled it, it will show something like this. You can also enable it from right here. Let's simply click on it. And there you have it. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you enable chat history in OpenAI or ChatGPT. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.